Welcome back to Farm Wild, everybody. Today I'm gonna be working. I'll be working on Boland's Gas Lawn Edger 3.5 horsepower and a overhead cam GCV 190 XP 3000 RPM pressure washer. So the problem with this is the gas cap. This gas cap is bad. It's corroded, and then the air filter. I'll show you. Okay, and the air filter is really bad. It's crusty. And then let me get this out of the corner. This pressure washer, the carburetor is good and everything. It's nice and clean, but the carburetor pan like gasket, which is right up here, this part is leaking, so it doesn't stay on for very long. I need to unscrew this so I can easily get it. Alright, so I went online, and I'll put a picture of where I got it, but I went online and looked up Boland air filters. They're like this squishy foam type. This, and I'll show a picture of this as well, where I got these. They're like a pack. It's a gasket and a O-ring and a bolt for the pressure washer. I'm going to work on, yeah. I'm gonna go get the cap. I'm back. I got one of these caps, Boland's. I'm gonna work on this first, the edger first. So this is a brand new cap, nice and not eroded. So I'm gonna unscrew this bad cap. Replace that. That one. Yeah. Look at this disgusting, nasty, crusty air filter. Disgusting. So we're gonna replace it with this nice foamy one. You just stick it on in there, maybe push it down a little bit. And this is a really simple trick, and I'll tell you a few tips. These are Caleb's tips. 1, always keep your tools exactly where you want them, and always keep them together and in place. Like, keep them organized, because it makes stuff like this a lot, and I mean a lot easier. And tip number 2, for a carburetor, there's a bolt underneath the carburetor when you're working on like bigger vehicles. Like I just worked on a mower, and in the mower, the carburetor wasn't bad, but a good way to check if anything's like clogged up or anything is you can unscrew that bolt, and if fuel comes out of that little bolt, then your carburetor is good, it's clean. You don't have to tear it apart or anything. So okay, there it is. I hope. Okay, this is gonna have to be a little sideways because I'm gonna be working right here though. Oh, difficult. I just don't want to tear the O-ring. doesn't run great, but this runs better than. Yeah. All right. Put some new gas in it, and let's see. I tightened it. I wasn't very tight. Let's hope that's tight enough.